All right, number 16, looking at the shape, we do have a trapezoid. So the area formula for a trapezoid, area would be equal to 1/2 the height, and then we would have to add together the two bases. So looking at our picture, we do get base 1, that can be 14, and base 2 can be 37. And if you switch these two around, that's okay. You will still end up with the same answer. So the only thing that we need to figure out is the height. That is what we are missing. So looking at this, the height is going to be the distance from a vertex perpendicular to the opposite base. So in this one, there are two lengths that we can use for the height. There's the one on the outside of the triangle, or trapezoid, sorry, over here. But if we look, there's no information we can really use to find that length. So that's why we are going to be using this one that's in the middle of our trapezoid. By drawing that line, we can figure out what are two other sides of, or what's one other side of the triangle. So if we draw that line straight down, we know that the section that it cuts off on the bottom is going to be 14. And then if we subtract 14 from 37, that'll give us 23, which is going to be the remaining portion of the base of the trapezoid. So then looking at this, we have a right triangle where we're trying to find a missing side, and we are given one of the angle measurements. So we're going to be using SOHCAHTOA from last chapter to figure out what the height of this trapezoid is going to be. So if we have SOHCAHTOA, from the angle we have, we are given the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we are going to be using tangent. And we're going to be able to write our equation, tangent of 42 equals h over 23. So remember, we're only using the side length of the triangle part. So we would multiply both sides by 23, and that will give us our height, tan of 42. Now, because this is not our final answer, we definitely want to round to at least 4 decimal points. So 20.7093 is about our height. And now that we have that information, we can plug everything into our area formula. Times 7093 times 14 plus 37. Area equals 0.5. Oh. So we'll do 0.5 times 20.7093 times 14 plus 37. And again, you want to type it in exactly how you see the work, and we're going to just round to 1 decimal. So we're going to get about 528.1 for our answer. So that is how you would do number 16.